Hey everybody, it's time for your top offers for October 2025. I'm Michael Lohman, one of the affiliate managers over here at ClickBank and probably the most handsome. I haven't crunched the numbers, but if I did, I'd be pretty damn good looking. Anyway, I've crunched other numbers, pulled the stats, and now we're counting down the 5 best performing products on ClickBank that you can promote this month for those sweet, sweet commissions, and you don't even have to say trick or treat for it. Now, without further ado, let's get to those offers, shall we? So, at number 4, we have ProNail Complex, a top performer in the nail health niche. And they're bonkers numbers for this one. I mean, we got an EPC of $1.25, an average payout value of $174, and a hot conversion rate of 0.74%. This unique mist spray targets stubborn nail fungus at the root, which I don't know what the roots of a nail look like, but I've never dug in one to find out. But it's offering long-lasting relief and visible transformations with clinically researched oils and herbs. And it doesn't just clear fungus, it strengthens nail and gives you skin immunity to prevent future issues. It's great to provide such a potent solution to a persistent problem, but you also get paid well for doing it. Affiliates are enjoying average EPCs, like I said, of $1.25, and there's even a bump in the commissions for high-volume affiliates. So, ProNail Complex converts across all the big traffic sources. We're talking Facebook, we're talking YouTube, we're talking native, we're talking email, we're talking TikTok, we're talking your friend's billboard that's above their house. So go forth and confidently promote ProNail Complex wherever your audience is online, or maybe where they're not. Your wallet will thank you for it. Landing at number 3 is Aqua Sculpt. And Aqua Sculpt is a cutting-edge weight loss solution that's built to stand out in the competitive space of diet and weight loss. Now, here are the impressive stats, because you're probably thinking, Michael, it's got an EPC of $1.19, an average payout value of $175.77, and a hop conversion rate of 0.76%. It's got ingredients like L-carnitine. I think I know what that is. L-carnitine? L-carnitine. With ingredients like L-carnitine, chromium, and green coffee bean, Aqua Sculpt helps accelerate fat burning, boosts energy, and deliver results in just 7 seconds each morning. It's natural, it's non-GMO, it taps into the effortless fat switch angle that resonates with a lot of audiences, and for affiliates like you, that means solid numbers, including nearly an $200 average payout per sale, which is just nuts. There's also plenty of Aqua Sculpt testimonials highlighting impressive transformations and skyrocketing confidence, which of course will help you drive conversion. So, with credibility like that and a compelling angle on weight management, Aqua Sculpt could be your next winning offer. So go, check out the marketplace and start promoting. Are you watching this and thinking, man, I want to make my first sale? Where's my first sale? That's some top shelf acting right there, by the way. Well, we have the first sale challenge, and you're probably thinking to yourself, why isn't it first sale in 7 days? Because you want it in 7 days. You want it fast. Well, guess what? All you gotta do is click this link below, Jeff, and everyone else named Jeff, you can click this one, or you can click this one if your name is Jeff. So go, click it, make your first sale on ClickBank. At number 2 is Rocket Languages, a proven leader in the online learning space and a long-standing top digital offer on ClickBank. And here's what you can earn. An EPC of $5.31, an average payout value of $92.67, and a hop conversion rate of 6.8%. I mean, these numbers are clearly out of this world, and that's because the team behind Rocket Languages is particular about who promotes their product. But don't let that scare you off. Just don't. I know it's Halloween and you gotta be all boo and all that, but it's worth applying just to see if you can be one of them. Because if you are, Rocket Languages equips their customers with audio lessons, culture modules, and reinforcement activities to help them achieve lasting fluency. It's mobile friendly, it fits anyone's lifestyle, and it has strong international appeal, which means you can enjoy global traffic when you promote this offer, and it's great for people who have travel lists, who have travel traffic, and who have good organic audiences. And with its reliability, high conversions, a strong brand reputation, Rocket Languages is one of the most lucrative education offers out there for affiliates. And if you think you're up for promoting it and you really want it, we really encourage you to apply because it is a great offer. They're just a little picky, but maybe you're one of the good ones. All right, we're back again, looking at the number 1 offer, and it's It's Mitolyn. Of course it's Mitolyn. This incredible offer has some equally incredible stats. It got an EPC, $1.50, average payout value, near $200, and a hot conversion rate of 0.83%. I mean, since last month, it's still holding steady with a high EPC, a great average payout, and trust me when I say these numbers don't come along every day. It's a groundbreaking diet offer that promises stellar performance and easy conversions. It's created by industry pros. It taps into evergreen demand for weight management solutions, and as an affiliate, you'll just love how much it pays you. It'll pay you either 85% revenue share out of the gates or up to $200 CPA for qualified affiliates. It's a highly optimized funnel with tons of room to scale, and this diet offer is generating epic results still for top affiliates. So don't sleep on this one. If you're ready to really climb the affiliate commissions ladder, you'll see it's great. So head to the marketplace, go check it out. It's amazing. And before we wrap it up, hey, this ain't a trick. I promise you. I got a little treat for you. If you want to test some quality products that aren't saturated and come with some awesome sellers, well, allow me to share some. We got Vitamotion, which is a brand new Nutra one. Braywind, another great new Nutra offer. We got Mochaline and Therafem. They're all amazing. They're from great advertisers who are diamond or platinum on our marketplace, and not a lot of people are going after them. Don't be one of the lemmings. Don't get the FOMO for the ones that have already been scaled. Go for the new stuff. And we'll have more information in the link below so you can go and promote them. Great new offers. They're showing promising results on early testing, but we're not going to give you those because honestly, it's just like it could change any time and it could be better. So go promote it. Those are your treats. Don't be sad that's over. Just be glad that this happened, man. And get to the next door and say trick or treat. Don't stay here. Like, I got people waiting in line for candy. What are you doing here? You didn't even dress up. I may have finished sharing all those top offers, but you got a golden opportunity here to actually grab your tracking link in the ClickBank marketplace and go and test it. And because no one ever made bank just watching videos, go. Do it. Go do it. Subscribe. Click that. Pound it. Click it. Smash your screen. I actually don't know how computers work, but click that button on that pad with the letters on it, and follow us. Comment. Ask us a question. I mean, look at this. Look at this. I don't even know why I was given this. You want the candy. You want the candy, don't you? You want some of the candy. That sweet, sweet crisp. Or you're not getting it.